So, hey there, lovers. It's Djpamelamc. Hugs, 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 kisses. I miss you all. Now, this is a video that I didn't plan on doing. Well, actually, I wanted to do an ASMR mukbang with spicy noodles. And I can't because my mobile died on me. And now my microphone won't work because I have to connect everything and blah blah blah, and because I've moved, I don't know where things are. Everything's in boxes, blah blah blah. So, and I'm still sick, as you can probably hear from my breathing. So I'm sharing a little bit with you because I have prawns, fresh prawns that I was meant to do for my ASMR, and I can't because everything is just chaotic. My new mobile died, that's fine. I'll go get a replacement phone, but I need to wait because I'm, excuse me, I'm just too sick at the moment and I cannot leave my home until I'm better because I'm at danger of, you know what, high risk. Okay, so I just want to eat with you all, and excuse my look and whatever this condition. I have boxes everywhere. I have so much to do. It's crazy. Anyway, I'm gonna eat. I've had enough, and I forgot another. I didn't bring a bowl. Oh God, it's okay. Let's just dig in. Please have some. I hope you're having a better day than me. I haven't done my hair or anything. Excuse my look. I put my pretty dress on. As obviously my clothes are still in boxes and everything. I've been too sick to do anything. Lemon, fresh lemon. I can do the spicy noodles later. And I'll do a mukbang ASMR when I get all my cameras ordered and things. So how are you all, lovers? How was your day? I'm sure it's better than mine. I'm day 6 of strong steroid medication and antibiotics. I'm still not that well. So we'll just, I take it day by day. I'm fine. I'm fine. I even have caviar. Okay. Caviar. Yeah. Yes, caviar. I don't even know if this video is going to work, and I hope you can all hear me. Seriously. Okay. I don't want to waste this food. You know what I mean? All right, the caviar. Let's do this. It's fish eggs. Please have them. Come on. I hope this video works. So rich. Very salty. Goodness. I just have no more tartare sauce, as it's what I have in my fridge. And only I eat out of this, so don't worry. Yeah. Tartare sauce. Have some. I don't know. This video is probably going to look really crap. Sorry about the volume. Turn your phone up or DVD, TV up loud so you can hear. Sorry. I have to sync everything. And it's too much because when I'm better, I'm going to go to the store and get a replacement phone for my phone that's damaged under my contract. So, you know what I mean? I'm just so annoyed. But all is good. seafood sauce. I sound like a horse like that. That's really messed up. Anyway, so, oh, the fish eggs are beautiful. Ready? Seafood sauce. The king prawn. This is my lounge. I have rugs on there, blankets at the moment, throwovers, because my cat Munchkin wants to scratch it all, and I'm not going to damage my lounge. Until she settles in here, she'll be fine, but at the moment she's like, whoa. She's sleeping at the moment. Please have some. Yeah. At the end of the day, whatever happens in life, just go with it and do your best, and make a positive situation out of whatever may, yeah. But I'm so happy, you know what I mean? I'm the only one eating out of this, so yeah. I'm here and I'm safe, and I'm just like sleeping way better at night and in peace. And like I said, it's not something I'm ready to talk about. If it is something I choose, I'll choose in my own time to talk about. Right now, yeah, sorry, yeah, no. No. Let's just eat. Oh. Yummy. They are. They are amazing. Once I get better, I'm going to one of my best girlfriend's houses with her and her beautiful son, and we're celebrating Christmas. I've still got all the Christmas presents and New Year at the same time, because things happened and boom, I was in isolation, and I'm still in isolation at home, so I'm going to be cuckoo, but I'm okay. But it's difficult. It's difficult. I'm a recluse, but this is like beyond. It's like like at the moment, I can't even go to my supermarket. Like, I'm just not well enough, and it's too dangerous for me with my health condition right now. So I suck it up and I deal with it. It's okay. We can have our own fun. Sorry for my voice, it's a bit messed up. I hope you're having a beautiful day. What are you up to? What are you doing? What are you gonna eat? Excuse my look. Like, just daggy mode. I'm just me, at home. I'm at home. Yeah. Ooh, have some. prawns, king prawns really fill you up. You don't need to eat a lot of them. They're so filling. I really wanted to do an ASMR with all this, but I have to wait now. But it's all good. Caviar. Caviar comes to the rescue. I'm really joking. Wow, life's crazy sometimes. Eh? Life is crazy at times. This is actually making me so full. Beautiful. So I wanted to come and say hi to you all. Excuse me. I hope you can hear me in this video because sadly I'm using an old mobile to get me through until I'm well enough to go and get my replacement audio, obviously. I mean, I guess when you're like, I don't know, dealing with stress and that, you don't eat much. So this for me is a lot. And I've been like obviously very unwell. So I'm like really full just from this. Oh, really full actually. My bubble belly. Everyone has a bubble belly when they sit down, even if you're skinny size 6. Anyway, lovers, that's all I'm doing for now. I want to come say hi to let you know what's happening. Obviously, I'm still unwell. I'm okay. I don't have but I'm not allowed to go anywhere. I'm in self-isolation because it's very dangerous and I'm at high risk of, yeah. So I don't want to talk about it. So it is scary, but I'm okay and I'm safe. And I'm doing the best I can. And excuse me, I look forward to getting back to life, blah, blah, blah. You know what I mean? Pardon me. So I'm taking it all day by day. Pardon me, sorry, one day at a time, day by day. Yeah, I need to replace my mobile, fix all the audio, everything, and just at least I have this older phone that I have, you know what I mean? And I've let my neighbors know if an emergency to, yeah, call an ambulance or whatever. So it's all good. Love you all and get ready for more and stay tuned. Have some caviar. Can you have some? See you again. Stay tuned for much more.